Mariko. I'm the first act for you guys tonight, so it's called Mariko. I'm gonna do a mixture of boleros and pop rap songs for you guys, starting with bolero, a classic ranchera called Cien Años. It's originally by Pedro Infante, and it's about being in love with someone that kind of just passes you by. They don't really care about you, and so the lyrics are like, "Y si vivo 100 años pienso en ti," and that means like, if I live to be 100 years old, I'll still be thinking of you. So even if they don't feel the same way. So this first one is Cien Años.